Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone in 2025. So if you lost some photos, if they are permanently deleted, you can recover them on your iOS iPhone by using an app called iRecovery. And today I'm going to show you how you can download it, install, how it works, how it looks like, everything else. So watch this video till the end. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. We are going to use this app called iRecovery, and to get it on iOS, first we have to do a little modification of our device. I'm trying this on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it works on all iPhones, all iOS versions. And the first step is to go to the settings and then head to general, then background app refresh, and this option has to be set to on. If it's off, switch it back to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It depends on which network you are using. If background app refresh option is off, iRecovery will not be installed properly. It might crash, have bugs, problems, and you will not be able to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone or iOS 18 or older iOS versions. So be sure to turn on background app refresh option if you want to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone in 2025. And the second step, guys, is to open your battery settings, and low power mode has to be switched off. If low power mode is on, it will automatically turn off background app refresh option that I just talked about, and without that option we cannot recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone, so be sure to switch it off if you want to recover permanently deleted photos on iOS. After you do that, guys, open your browser, your Safari, Chrome, whatever web browser you want to use, and scroll down until you find iRecovery app. Press on this. As you can see, it says iRecovery, recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Just press on this button, follow all steps carefully, and install iRecovery on your iPhone device. So all you have to do is to do this recovery and press on this button, follow all steps carefully, and you will install iRecovery on your mobile, on your iPhone iOS device. So guys, let me know in the comments if you tried, how it went. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Smash notification bell button so you will not miss future updates and episodes about how to recover permanently deleted photos on iOS iPhone. And I hope you will have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.